Good morning, children, and I hope you all are doing well. And welcome to a 21-22 session of summer camp of Amity International School. And I'm sure you are all ready and set to learn something new from me, right? So, are you ready? One, two. Okay. So let's see the ingredients and let's get started. So this is my first ingredient, which is dates, and these are seeds have been taken out. This is 1 cup dates, 1 cup walnut powder. I have taken the walnut and I have of course grinded it into a coarse powder. Then we need 1 banana. We need 1/3 cup of desiccated coconut. This is 1 cup of mixed dry fruits. You can have cashews and almonds and raisins and dry coconut, etc. are there. Then we have next dry. I had some dry rose petals which are done at home itself. So this is just for decoration. We need little bit of oil, children, so that while you are making the balls, you just need to grease your hand so that it is comfortably done. Then we need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Then a pinch of salt, half teaspoon vanilla essence, and half teaspoon cinnamon powder, which is dalchini, right? Okay, so what are we making today? Ma'am showed you so many ingredients, but she didn't tell you the name yet. Well, yes, we are going to make dates, banana rolls, or you can say it balls also, right? So before we get started, let us introduce to some the kitchen gadget which I'm going to use. Now we all know what is this. This is a spatula which you need to mix your balls, right? Now there is a lot of confusion between tablespoon and teaspoon. So children, this is a tablespoon. You can see the size, right? This is a bigger one. This is teaspoon. Of course, you can actually see this is one is big and the other one is little smaller. And this tiny mini spoon is generally measured taken for half teaspoon. So right, this is my 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, and this is half teaspoon, right? And this is of course the spatula, as I told you. So let's get started. So the first thing which goes in is the dates, which of course the seeds have been taken out, 1 cup, right? Next goes the walnut powder, that is again 1 cup. Then goes my 1 almost ripe, not overripe bananas. Then I have 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, half teaspoon vanilla essence, and finally goes my half teaspoon cinnamon powder, which is a very important ingredient. Okay, now children, since you saw that we used the only spice which went in it was the cinnamon powder, right? Which is a bit stronger. And why we have put this the spice, because banana and cinnamon is an excellent combination when it comes to taste, right? And even at times we have the elaichi powder. What is elaichi? I will ask you in the class in English what is it called, right? So let's go and get this grinded and I'll come back in a jiffy. Okay, so I've got this, blended it in, and now children, we are going to add in it 1/3 cup of desiccated coconut. Okay, in case children, if you are unable to grind, sometimes the dates are at times dry, so either soak them in half cup of milk, not water, definitely no water but milk. Okay, once you do that, now this you can see is bit dry, right? I mean wet, sorry. So after mixing this, we are going to add in the bit of this powder. This is my dry fruit powder which I told you, which I have collected, right? There you go. You have to mix it nicely. make sure everything is incorporated properly. you're while churning also, if at times the mixie starts getting stuck, so you can add little bit of milk, and then gradually you can make it into a paste, right? Okay, so here my right. So now I'm going to mix this dry fruit so that it tastes more better and it becomes a little bit crunchier, because it's full of protein. And when we're going to take the class, of course I'm going to tell you the benefits of all the ingredients used and why I especially chose this particular the recipe, or the dessert, and you can call it that way. Okay, now I think it's quite done. Now we will clean our hand, of course. Cooking, as I told you before also, children, those who have done cooking with me, you need to be very clean, keeping track of your hands, absolutely washed and clean, your bowls used, your table, everything. So let's wipe this more, so that yes, you can use all into the form of, you can use barfis or laddus or whatever you want. That's the shape is up to you, of course, how you want it, right? So this is my the serving plate where I would like to. So I will put little bit of oil, as I told you, when we are going to roll it in. I will put oil in my hand so that it doesn't sticks to my hand, and of course I am going to roll it in. I'll roll it, and once we finished I will let you know. So now I have already done this, children, you can see, and it is still soft. So it is done. You will put it in the fridge for almost half an hour or so, and then it will tighten it up. And here goes, that goes completely your walnut banana choco bite, and full of protein, of course. And that's it for this session, children. Meet you in the next session with a new recipe. Stay tuned and love you all. Take care. Be safe.